In this video, I want to share with you some trending Trump Inauguration Day niches and some free prompts to go along with those niches as well. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those trending Trump niches and free prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So today it is Wednesday, January 22nd, 6:20 a.m. in the morning, sitting at 0 sales. But yesterday I did 34 sales and $36 in royalties. The day before that was pretty good, 47 sales and $57 in royalties. That's going to put me at 754 sales for the month and $771 in royalties for the month of January. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So on Monday, Trump was inaugurated as the next president, and there was a lot of things that he said that made headlines, and we can take those headlines, the things that he said, and we can put them on t-shirts. All right, so I want to share you some of the popular phrases that I saw that are starting to trend and starting to get some sales, and then also share with you the prompts. And then you can actually get the prompts for free on my PayHip shop. Link will be in the description. And I'm also running a sale just for today only, 50% off on all my prompts today only. So if you've been on the fence, you can come in here and maybe find one that you like and grab it. The one that probably has the most value is going to be this one right here, 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50. Usually it's 24 bucks. And since I was in the mood of just putting things on sale, I decided I would just go ahead and throw my throw my course on sale as well for beginners, only $12.50. So links for all that stuff will be in the description. Let's go ahead and take a look at that first trending niche for Trump, and it is going to be this one right here, which is, in America, impossible is what we do best. So this is a phrase that Trump said during his speech, and we can see that for this niche right here, there's only 89 results. We can fact check it with Productor for Merch by Amazon shirts, and right here we can see what some of the designs look like. And this one right here was just uploaded a couple days ago, so on January 20th, on Monday, and we can see it's already starting to get some sales. Now I did go ahead and make a design, actually 3 of them, for this phrase right here. So in America, the impossible is what we do best, with the American eagle and the flag. This one right here with just the flag, and then this one right here with the eagle and the sunglasses. I think these actually turned out really nice right here. So these are some good prompts that you can use for your Merch by Amazon business or any other print-on-demand platform that you want to use. So that's the first trending Trump niche. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So the second trending Trump niche that I have for you is this phrase right here that he said during his speech, which is the golden age of America begins right now. You can see that for this one, there's only 243 results. And here what some of the designs look like. We can see that they're doing all both black and white and just simple text designs like this one right here, the golden age of America. One little quick design tip, like this is a good design right here because it's all in a rectangle. You want it like this, all kind of matching up in a rectangle and kind of like a square. You can see that this one was just uploaded also on Monday, January 20th, already getting some sales. This one as well, where they threw in the American flag. You can also add in the year 2025. This is another good opportunity for us right here. And here is the design that I made. So Golden Age of America. I actually think this turned out really nice right here. So get a good prompt. You got the Trump with the flag in the background. Golden Age of America begins right now. And again, you can put 2025 if you would like. And I actually put some of these prompts up on Creative Fabrica, just 2 right here. Creative Fabrica doesn't really like it when I put Trump shirts or designs up on their shop. I've gotten a lot of emails from them, so that's why I didn't put all, I think 7 or 8 of the designs. Just put a couple, so you can check that out if you're interested. But that's going to be the second trending Trump niche, and it is this one right here that says the golden age of America begins right now. And then the next trending Trump niche that I have for you, and I think this is actually the best one, or the one I saw with the best BSRs, or selling the best, is Liberation Day, January 20th, 2025. We can see really low in competition, only 133 results at the time of this recording. And here what some of the designs look like. We can see this one right here, Liberation Day, January 20th, 2025, already has a BSR. This one also, Liberation Day, President of the United States, 609, and there was a couple others. Also, like this one right here, Liberation Day January 20th, 2025. So this is a good option for us. And if you're kind of like nervous about doing Trump shirts, what you can do is you can just leave out like any keyword that has to do with Trump. That's one strategy that I do. So I would just basically just do the keyword. So something just like this, I would do an exact title just like this and just leave out anything that says Trump and just focus on this keyword, Liberation Day, January 20th, 2025, in case you're kind of nervous. But to be honest, I think it should be okay with Trump, but just if you're kind of like on edge like I am. But here is the prompt or the design right here. So Liberation Day, I made 2 of them. I think this one's actually a lot better, but this one I think could still work. You got a nice design right here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. And then the last trending Trump niche I have for you is kind of 2 niches in one, or 2 phrases, and it is America's decline is over, and then the second one is going to be America is back. So kind of similar. If we go here to Productor, we can see that this one right here, America is back. Actually, I think it might be right here. America is back. We see it's got a BSR. So this niche is starting to sell, and it is low in competition. Whoops, this one right here, we're going to see America is back. Oh, actually, it's 2,000 results. Now, there's not that many phrases or designs for this niche, just probably because of the word America. That's why so many are popping up. But if we go to this next one, America's decline is over, should be low. So yeah, so America is back. It should be somewhere around here, just because this phrase just came out the other day, on Monday. But for America's decline is over, only 43 results. Here what some of the designs look like. Now, I couldn't find any with BSRs, but this is because usually it's because the niche is so new. It usually takes a little bit of time for the BSRs to update, because there's just been so many times where I've seen niches start to pop off, and they don't have a BSR, and I think, oh, this niche isn't worth it, and then I'll come back later and I'll see all these designs with BSR. So don't be fooled by this NA right here. I would highly suspect that these will be selling in the next couple days or so, or having BSRs. But so those are, I think it was the 5 niches or 5 phrases that I have for you for the Trump inauguration. Now that Trump is back, we're gonna have 4 years of niches like this. So there's going to be a lot of phrase that we can use, and basically what you want to do is you just want to look for headlines of phrases that Trump says, and we can take those phrases and we can put them on t-shirts. Now, not everyone is going to hit, but there are going to be some that are going to take off, and as Merch by Amazon sellers, or at least me, I want to take advantage of that and make sales in those niches. Again, you can get the prompts for free right here. Here what they look like. Comment below, let me know what you guys think about these prompts or designs. I think these ones on the bottom right here turned out really nice. This one's also pretty good right here. America's decline is over. I was also going to share with you Drill Baby Drill, but it just seemed like this niche has kind of already been on Amazon for a little bit, but I threw it in there anyways. So that's another one. But yeah, so these ones turned out really nice right here. Now let me go ahead and share with you some of my resources that I'm using to help me get sales like this on a regular basis. You can see 47, 30, 30, 30. I've been doing around like $30 to $50 a day, basically. But right here, we're going to see I have my prompts in the description. So right here, you can click on this link, buy AI prompts. It will take you to this page right here, and you can get all of my prompts. Some are free. I have a lot of free ones. Do you guys like this style of video that I'm doing, where I show you the niches and then give you the free prompts? Let me know. But I got paid prompts right here. And if we go to this next one right here is Ideogram. So if you don't have Ideogram, I would highly recommend it. You can see the quality of the designs that I'm getting. And if you sign up using my affiliate link, you're going to get an additional 100 priority prompts above and beyond what you already get when you sign up for Ideogram. So that is the second link right here. Next links are going to be Merch Dominator and Flying Research. So Merch Dominator is how I do my research. It's how I was able to find a lot of these Trump niches or trends. So basically the way that I like to use it, I just come in here to MBA KDP, click on bestsellers, and then I sort it by the BSR right here, or I switch it from BSR to newest. Just gotta wait for this little blue dot to do its thing, and I'll be able to see all the newest designs that are getting sales. Now, a lot of them are trademarks, so I wouldn't do any of that stuff. So like, national champions, anything to do with like professional sports, I would stay away from. But right here, we're going to see Happy Liberation Day, Happy Liberation Day. This niche, like I said, was probably the best one, starting to do well. All this Redskins or Commanders, I should say, you want to stay away from. But this is just a good resource to find trending niches, to give you some ideas. You can make similar designs and get some sales autism. That's kind of a cool one. Okay, so yeah, so that's Merch Dominator. Also Flying Research. Merch Dominator is a little expensive, to be honest. Flying Research is a similar tool that does basically the same thing but for cheaper. So if you're on a little bit of budget, I would go with Flying Research. But Merch by Dominator, it's just really nice, to be honest. And they have a plugin too, so check that out. Next one is going to be my merch course. This is for beginners, so if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, check this out. It's just going to give you a lot of good guidance, and it's on 50% off. Then I have my affiliate links for Creative Fabrica. You can sign up for a year, only like $3.99 for the whole year. I mean, you have to pay that for the month, I mean. Then my Creative Fabrica shop. So if you click on this link, it will take you to my Creative Fabrica shop, and you'll be able to see all the designs. Oh, I forgot to share with you this niche right here, Stars and Stripes. So this is actually another niche that I also found, or that was also trending for Trump's speech, Stars and Stripes on planet Mars. This is like a cool one. I forgot to mention that anyways. Well, can't go back now, but so that's an additional niche, Stars and Stripes on planet Mars. It's a cool one. You know, space niches tend to do very well on Merch by Amazon. We saw that with like the eclipse. So another niche for you there, but that's my Creative Fabrica shop. And then we have Pretty Merch, which is how I get this nice interface right here showing you all my analytics. And then we have EVERBEE and PRINTFUL. Now these are for Etsy, so if you're on Etsy, I'd highly recommend EVERBEE. It's, in my opinion, it's mandatory for research for Etsy. And then PRINTFUL is who I use to fulfill all my t-shirt, mug, and sticker orders on my Etsy shop. All right, so those are the resources that I'm currently using or actively using right now to help me get sales on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. So if you want to support me, check those links out. If not, it's all good. I appreciate you watching. You subscribe to my channel. It's free. I'm putting out videos, like 3 to 4 videos a week on trending niches, evergreen niches, and prompts. So subscribe if you want or if you're into that. That's going to be it for today's video. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this niche, those designs, those phrases, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.